In this video, I will show you how to export without background in Illustrator. We start by opening our Illustrator document, and I already have my image with a transparent background inserted, which doesn't need to be positioned within the artboard. Next, we go to the File menu, click on Export and select Export As. At this point, the File Explorer will open, and we choose the folder where we want to save the image. Then we type a name for the file and go to the section labeled Format Type. In my case, I select PNG and scroll down to the lower part of the window. Here you will see the option Use Artboards, and this box doesn't need to be checked. After that, we click on the Export button to proceed to the most important settings. In this panel, we go to the top section where resolution is located, and by clicking on it, we select maximum quality, which corresponds to 300 pixels if we want to print. If we are only going to share the image to see it on a screen, we choose 72 pixels per inch. Then we check the transparent background option, click OK, and that's it.